Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the withdrawal limits for Popular Direct Bank. Now, I know that a lot of you are interested in this topic because Popular Direct is a popular choice for online banking. And, of course, it's important to know how much money you can withdraw from your account at any given time. So, let's get started. What are the withdrawal limits for Popular Direct Bank? The withdrawal limits for Popular Direct Bank vary depending on the type of account you have. Here's a breakdown of the different limits. Savings accounts, you can make up to 6 withdrawals per month from your savings account. There is no limit to the amount of money you can withdraw each month. Checking accounts, you can make an unlimited number of withdrawals from your checking account. However, there may be daily or monthly limits on the amount of money you can withdraw. Money market accounts are similar to savings accounts in that they have withdrawal limits. However, the withdrawal limits for money market accounts are typically higher than the withdrawal limits for savings accounts. How can I find out the specific withdrawal limits for my Popular Direct account? The best way to find out the specific withdrawal limits for your Popular Direct account is to log into your online banking account. Once you're logged in, you can find the information you need in the Account Terms and Conditions section. What are some things to keep in mind about withdrawal limits? Here are a few things to keep in mind about withdrawal limits. Withdrawal limits are subject to change. Be sure to check with your bank for the most up-to-date information. Withdrawal limits may vary depending on your account type, your account balance, and your relationship with your bank. If you exceed your withdrawal limit, you may be charged a fee. In some cases, your bank may temporarily freeze your account if you exceed your withdrawal limit. So, what's the bottom line? The withdrawal limits for Popular Direct Bank vary depending on the type of account you have. However, there are no daily or monthly limits on the amount of money you can withdraw from your checking account. If you're looking for a bank with high withdrawal limits, Popular Direct may not be the best choice for you. However, if you're looking for a bank with low fees and a variety of account options, Popular Direct may be a good option. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.